Hi friends, you welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how processing buttons are prototyped? In this video, I'm going to show you how to prototype a processing button. So let's get on with that. So for this, I'm going to design for desktop. So I'm going to get my desktop frame. Let me import my layout grid. I'm going to add columns grid. Alright, so I'm going to start making my sketches. Alright, so I can duplicate this. Now I can now start replacing some of this. So I can just have a multicolor choice. I can say multicolor choice. So I can just have something like this, and let me convert this into an arc, and let me make this 8%. So I can duplicate this, and I'm going to make this 30%. Also going to duplicate this, and I'm going to make this 60. Can also duplicate this, and I'll make it 90. So I'm going to speed up this process. Let's get on with the prototyping. Alright, we can now start with the prototyping. So okay, I can even I can use auto layouts to design the button. So I can just have this sign up. Can add auto layouts. Alright, so let me replace the first button with the second. Alright, so let me take it to back and let me delete this one. Alright, so I'm going to draw shadow. Alright, so let's get on with the prototyping. So I can just use maybe an oval shape for the animation. So I can just have my oval shape. Just scale it down a bit. So I'm going to convert these into an arc. Let me increase the ratio. Let me sweep this. I'm going to sweep and group this. Ctrl G. Okay, before I do that, I want to give this a corner radius of, let's say, 4. And this also has to be 4. Alright, okay. So I'll go back to frame and I'm going to import Android Small. So I'm also going to speed up this process. So when I have my Android Small, I'm going to take this inside the frame. So when I do that, I'm going to let me ensure that is properly placed at the center. So now I'm going to convert this into a component. Let me remove the fill. Alright, so I'm going to create a variant. So I just need like 6 variants. Like I'm going to add 5 more. So this is I've added 1. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm going to tell you the reason why I use only 6. So I'm going to select these and I'm going to select the group. So this is fine. This is at 0 degree. So I'm going to select the second one. I'm going to rotate this 30. I'm going to select the third one and I'm going to rotate this 60. I'm going to select the fourth one and I'm going to rotate this 90. I'm going to select this fifth one and I'm going to rotate this 120. I'm going to select this and I'm going to rotate this 150. So I'm not going to go beyond this, reason being that I already have a complete cycle. So from here to here is a complete cycle. So there's no point going to 180, so on and so forth, because it doesn't make sense. Because from here, from this state to this state will give us a complete cycle. So if I have 180, which is should be after 150, so I'm only going to have this state. So I'm just going to get this state again. So there's no point having this state once again, since we can loop from here. So that's why if I change this to what, if I have, okay, let me show you. If I have, let's say I have if I rotate this 180, I'm going to have this, you see. So there is no point. So I'm going to undo this. Alright, so now I'm going to prototype this. So I'm going to go to prototype and I'm going to connect this to this. So I will say after delay. So let this be fast. So I can make this 60 or 50. All right. So from here, to here would also be after delay. Make it 60. So we already have our components. So now I can just duplicate these. I'm going to drop these here. So can have for the other screen I can also duplicate this. This can be also another screen. So can have shape. Alright, so I can just I can have these prototypes, and I'm going to connect this to this. So let's present these once again. So here, if we enter our email address, we enter our password, we agree to terms and conditions, and we sign up, it will start processing. So we can also make this maybe we can have another animating icon just like this. We can have this maybe both of them will be animating together. So okay, let's do that. We can have but before we do that, we are going to remove these. We are going to remove auto layout because we cannot add a component. You cannot superimpose one component on another. Now we can go to assets. Let's go to component first. So I'm going to, let me go to design. So I'm going to duplicate this, and I'm going to select press K to scale this up. All right, so I will now have here, I'm going to have 2 of these. So I'm going to now superimpose this on top of this. All right, so let's try again. So I'm going to run this once again. So if we enter our email address and we enter our password, we agree to terms and conditions, we sign up, it will start processing. So if we also, we can, if we want to make maybe one will be moving in opposite direction to the other, we can also do that. So we can come here and we are going to select the other one. So we're going to select the second one, and we are going to flip this. Well, so we're going to invert this, flip horizontal. So we've done that. So let's go back and present this. So here, if we enter our email address, we enter our password, we agree to terms and conditions, and then we sign up. You see, one is moving opposite to the other. Alright friends, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.